For your construction sites, you want heavy-duty stuff. And that's great because at Eloy, we're the concrete product specialists. From main residences to your large-scale projects, there's only one solution, the OxyFix MicroStation. In this video, we're going to show you all its advantages. We'll give you a quick overview. Let's go. And to be the best microstation on the market, OxyFix relies on 4 pillars: durability, adaptability, reliability, and peace of mind. Being durable means, first of all, lasting over time, which means offering you resistance and robustness. And that's the job of our concrete. It's Eloy's specialty and pride. And it resists chemical attacks from wastewater. Yes. Our concrete even resists the passage of light vehicles, ideal for placement under a driveway or a garage. And that without a distribution slab. Being durable is also taking into account the future of the planet. That's why our OxyFix is eco-designed. Did you see? Its shape optimizes its transport. We can even fit up to 8 tanks on a single truck. It also allows for less soil removal and requires fewer materials for backfilling. Big savings. Its small footprint allows for installation on small plots and preserves your land for future uses, like a vegetable garden or a swimming pool, for example.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is your captain speaking.
High inlet and outlet, low head loss, and gravity flow. Notice the absence of a lift pump or controller. They are not necessary to ensure the operation of your OxyFix MicroStation. Even in the event of a power failure, the bacteria will still be active and the flow guaranteed. The OxyFix MicroStation adapts to all situations. It's ideal, of course, for treating wastewater from your main residence, but also for a housing estate, a retirement home, a sports center, a campsite, or even a restaurant. And it's suitable for all types of soil: sandy, clayey, silty, and wet. Yes, installation in groundwater is no problem for it, and that's without a ballast or anchoring slab. And in the case of renovation where the water level is unknown, you can even backfill it up to 80 centimeters above the tank. Have I already told you that the OxyFix MicroStation was the best on the market?
It's the best.
It's the best.
It's the best. It's the best.
It's entirely manufactured here in our Sprimont factory and benefits from all our expertise and ultra-modern equipment. At the heart of its exceptional performance is the OxyBee, the unalterable, non-clogging and rot-proof bacterial support of the OxyFix, guaranteed without failure or replacement. OxyBee is also the largest treatment surface on the market. With 1 cubic meter of OxyBee, the bacteria have 200 square meters at their disposal, the equivalent of a tennis court for treating your wastewater. We can clearly say it: game, set, and match. Which allows it to guarantee purification performance well beyond the standards. And with Michael, we're going to demonstrate it for you. Shall we go, Michael?
Let's go.
Here we go. So it's the showers, it's the toilets, all that. Gray water, black water. There, you can see it. Well, Michael, will you show us?
Well, here it is. This is before, this is after. Clear as crystal.
And it's certified by independent organizations. Your OxyFix MicroStation, it works in the background and ensures your peace of mind. Once installed, you have nothing to do alone, which means that you can never turn off the booster. It must run continuously. Yes, apart from monitoring the booster and, of course, being attentive to the alarms that protect your OxyFix. And thanks to its 3 cubic meter decanter, its emptying frequency is estimated at 48 months. And finally, the OxyFix MicroStation protects you and your work since it is covered by the 10-year warranty. And for the customer, the tank is guaranteed for 15 years. Many advantages that ask for only one thing: to be at the service of your construction sites. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to ask our teams. They will answer them with pleasure. If, on the other hand, you are already ready for a quote, visit our website. As for me, I wish you all the best, and I'll see you at Eloy, on one of your sites or elsewhere. Bye.